In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a WordPress domain. Whether you are starting a personal blog or building a business site, securing your domain is a crucial first step. Let's dive in. First, head over to wordpress.com. On the home page, click the Get Started button to begin your journey. You'll be taken to the sign up page where you can create a new account using your email, Google or Apple ID. Choose the method that's most convenient and secure for you. After signing up, it's time to choose your domain name. This is your unique address on the web, the name people type in to visit your site. You can opt for a free domain, which will give you a WordPress subdomain like yoursite.wordpress.com, or go for a custom domain if you want a more professional look. Type in your preferred domain to check its availability and see different extensions like .com or .net. Next, select a plan. WordPress offers a free plan for beginners, which includes all the basic tools to get your site up and running at no cost. If you need more advanced features, storage, or customization, a paid plan might be worth considering. And that's it. You now have your WordPress domain and the foundation for your website. From here, you can start creating, customizing, and sharing your content with the world. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips and guides.